Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I'd like to share with you some information for my October 2020 online exclusive classes. And you heard that right, it's multiple. I have 2 classes this October. So let me go ahead and talk to you a little bit about how I do my classes. When you sign up for my classes, you will be invited to join a Facebook group that's private for only those members of the class. And then in this Facebook group is where I will post live videos showing you how to create the cards for the class. You will also receive PDF tutorials through this Facebook group as well. Now, I have had a lot of people ask me, do you have to be on Facebook to join my classes? And the answer is no. If you are not on Facebook and would still like to join my classes, I can email you these videos and PDFs after the class. All you need to do is just email me and let me know that you're not on Facebook, and then I will go ahead and place that in my notes, and then you will receive the videos and PDFs. Another fun thing that I do during my classes are giveaways. And these are just small little thank you gifts that I give to everyone who participates in the class. So my first class that I am offering in October centers around the Love of Leaves stamp set. So this is the stamp set, and you will need the coordinating dies, stitched leaves dies. And if you don't have a die or embossing machine, you're in luck because Stampin' Up! Just came out with their new embossing and die cutting machine, and you can get that September 1st. So let's go ahead and see the cards for this class now. I am so excited to offer these cards. I had a lot of fun making them and know that you will too. One of the fun things about these cards are there are 3 shaker cards. Each shaker card has a unique twist on this fun technique. Plus, I have some great tips and tricks to share with you. I also love the metallic accents where we've used the brushed metallic cardstock along with the dies to create some really beautiful cards. When you sign up for this class, you will receive a class kit, which will include everything you see here: pre-cut cardstock, designer series paper, embellishments, a full roll of basket weave and metallic ribbon combo pack. You'll also receive some 6x6 pieces of the brushed metallic cardstock, some gold glitter, and champagne rhinestones. There are just a couple products you will need to take this class. They are the stamp set, Love of Leaves, and coordinating dies, stitched leaves, and then 5 different ink colors: mint macaron, Cajun craze, early espresso, bumblebee, and garden green. So the second class that I'm offering in October focuses around the Poinsettia Petal stamp set, and you will need the poinsettia dies that coordinates with the stamp sets for this class. So let's go ahead and see the cards for this class. Now you may notice that the cards for this class are very similar to the cards for the first class. And the reason for that is because for those of you who take both classes, I wanted to show you how you can create multiple cards with different feelings and different looks using a similar layout. And so we'll be talking about that more during the class. But you'll notice that these cards also include a couple shaker cards. And again, we're going to be walking through some of those different styles of shaker cards and how you can achieve that look. Just like before, when you sign up for this class, you will receive a class kit, which will include everything you need to take the class, such as pre-cut cardstock, envelopes, designer series paper, the pearls, silver glitter, foam strips, and a full roll of metallic edge ribbon in silver. You will also need to supply the Poinsettia Petal stamp set and the coordinating poinsettia dies, as well as 5 ink colors. We have garden green, soft suede, bumblebee, real red, and old olive. You will also need a water painter or a paintbrush and water to do some watercoloring. And for both classes, you will need your crafting tools: a good pair of ribbon scissors, We have a bone folder, pickup tool, adhesive, and the clear blocks. So the price for these classes is $30 each. Now, if you're interested in taking both classes with me in October, the price for 2 classes is $50, which gives you a $10 discount on the total price of both classes. So if you're interested, all you need to do is email me at chelsea@creativechelsea.com and just tell me which class you're interested, or if you're interested in both, and then I will send you a PayPal invoice through your email, and then as soon as you pay your invoice, you are registered for the class. So these classes will begin in early October, and you can find all the information either in the description box below or on my blog, creativechelsea.com. I would love to have you join me for these classes. Thanks for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.